So what I'm going to address is how we can utilize tension and release on the guitar and just give you some applicable ideas that will help you use these concepts in real time. The tension's really important in our playing and our improvisation because whether they realize it or not, the listener expects to hear tension and resolution and really needs that feeling of resolution when they listen to music in order to be fully satisfied. Let's say I want to create more tension. What I might do instead is pick a non-chord tone, a scale tone, as not necessarily a resting tone, but really emphasize it and hold it out a little longer before giving into the release of the chord tone. Keep in mind that context is everything. When you're playing over a set of chord changes, the more complex and dense the chords are, the more ambiguous their character is going to be, and the less tense that chromatic notes and scale notes will sound. So for example, if we're in the key of C and it's a C major triad like we're listening to here, using a B note and really hanging on it might sound pretty tense. It really wants to come up to C. Now, if we were playing over a different kind of music, like, I don't know, like jazz or something with more complex chords, and the chord going on in the rhythm section is like a C major 9 or something,